Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka Lady M, and on my channel we talk about all things beauty from my own experiences. We talk about some fashion and we get into a little bit of lifestyle. So if those are things that might interest you, then be sure to take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, turn on those notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump right into today's video. I am going to be sharing with you what all I picked up during the recent 21 days of beauty at Ulta Beauty. So I don't know, I have been shopping at Ulta lately. Like Ulta has been getting these coins. So if you're interested in seeing what all I picked up during their 21 days of beauty, then keep on watching. All right, so I'm so excited to share what all I picked up during the 21 days of beauty. So before we get into the video, did you guys shop? What were some things that you picked up? Be sure to leave your comments down below in the comment section. I would love to go back and check out some of the items that you guys picked up during the 21 days of beauty. Now, I have to say, I think this was a good 21 days of beauty. They had some first time brands or products to the 21 days of beauty, so that was interesting because usually I feel like it's always the same old, you know, products, but I felt like this time it was good to see fresh, you know, products that if you wanted to pick it up, or if some of your favorites, you know, that you could also try out new products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my haul. I have bags and I have a box, okay? So I went in store for some, or I did buy online, pick up in store. I ordered, and that was one of the things that I love. Like they ship those products like right away, so it doesn't take a long time for you to get the products. So kudos to Ulta for doing that. I don't know if there was anything that I wanted that I didn't get, or I waited too late to get it and I was like, dang. I do know it was like the Shiseido sunscreen. Like I love that sunscreen. So that thing sold out so fast. And at first I wasn't really gonna get it because I had some other products on my list. So nonetheless, I missed out on that. I can't think of anything else that I really wanted that I didn't get. And you can't even go into the store without picking up other items. So the first products that I have, these were part of the 21 days of beauty, but then when I went in, I picked up some other stuff too that was not part of that. So I will also share that with you. So these are two products that I picked up. I picked up SMASHBOX, the PHOTOFINISH Primerizer, the hydrating primer, and I picked up the glow primer. So this was the day that all of the SMASHBOX primers were part of the 21 days of beauty. They're usually like 40 bucks or something like that, and they were like 20 something dollars. So this was an amazing steal. So this is the Illuminate. The Illuminate has like the red or glow or orange writing. The hydrating has like the blue writing. So I love these primers. So they're silver. That's the packaging, and it has the red. So I'm excited for these. Which primer from SMASHBOX did I really like? This one I think was like one that I really liked. So yeah, I'm excited for these. SMASHBOX, an OG to the primer family. Some of their products, their lipsticks are amazing. And then while I was in Ulta, this had came up on my Instagram feed, and I thought it would, you know, it would be pretty dope. So I picked up the Tangle Teaser. This is the wide tooth comb. So it says perfect for 3C to 4C hair. It's dual-sided detangling. So I have natural curly hair. So I am always on the hunt for a good wide tooth comb to help me detangle. So when I saw this, and I think I saw it was a reel, and I saw the girl use this product, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try. So this is soft, but it has like different lengths of bristles here. So this is easy to kind of just really make sure you got that detangling. And of course it's purple, like hello. That is one of my favorite colors. So I was excited to try that. And then it's actually 3 products. They have a pick, which is only online, so that one was not in the store. And then they have a detangling hairbrush, perfect for 3C to 4C hair types. So this is what the product is looking like. I'm waiting for my camera to get in focus. So that is it. I didn't open it yet because I just been having it in the bag. So this is my first time actually opening everything up. So it basically looks like their typical wet brush. The only difference is I think the wet brush usually just has like the longer bristles, but this one, it literally looks like the comb, but it's just like this. So it has like the big bristles there. So super excited to try that out. You can kind of see, I'll turn it to the side so you can kind of see what it looks like. So it's in this nice lilac color. And I just took my hair down, but I forgot I had these. I kind of wanted to show them to you before they got all messy from me using them. So putting these back in the bag. So that was one item or a couple of items. Next up is another Ulta bag. I went in the store for something and then I ended up, again, I picked up other things. It's like you can't just go in the store for just one thing. You end up just playing yourself going into the store. So the one thing that I picked up when I went into the store was the ODEA UNDARIA ALGAE body oil. And this is in the travel size. This is 1 ounce. This oil, oh my God, I picked this up during the Save More or event or something. I'll be sure to link that video. I picked that up during that time and I am in love with this oil. So I figured I needed a travel size. So that is what I picked up. Amazing. Oh, this is like fave for like fave. And then so the next thing that I picked up, I think I ordered this online because it was not in stock. And then I think also so after the sale ended, they brought back some of the items for like a last chance for you to pick up. So that was so cool because you know sometimes you miss out on something, but they did have everything back for a last chance type vibe. So this is the Live Tinted Hue Stick. This is in the shade Rise. So this is the color corrector and this is what the product looks like. So I picked that up during the haul and you can just see this is the orange stick, perfect for my color corrector. But these are pretty because some of the other colors you could just use them as lipsticks, just like a multi-use product. So that was like pretty nice. And then the next thing that I picked up was all products from JUVIA'S place. This is part of their bronze collection. So I picked up the chocolate lip liner espresso So Rare, which I think is the original, part of the original lip liners. And then the other one I picked up was coffee bean. So this is part of the coffee shop collection. I said bronze, but this is part of the coffee shop collection. So I picked up the 3 liners. This is part of their original collection. This is So Rare. And then I also picked up Brownie. Now this is from the bronze collection. And then from the bronze collection, I picked up Bronzed Sugar. And this is their lip gloss. Now, don't forget, I will have everything linked down below. So if there's something that I picked up that you wanted to check out, the link will be provided for you down below. So I'm always like looking to try new liners. I think I have some of the JUVIA'S place liners already. Look at that, still in the packaging. I did use one of them that I have used. But I'm always looking for nice brown lip liner options. So here we go. I got them. This is the Bronzed Sugar Gloss. This is what the packaging looks like. Now I love Juvia's Place lip glosses. Very pigmented. They are perfect to wear just with a lip liner. And the gloss, you don't even need a lipstick. That's how pigmented they are. And then I picked up 4 of the shades from that coffee shop collection. So I picked up Brown Sugar. This is Brown Sugar. I picked up Butterscotch, and I picked up Dulce Latte. So this is the lightest of the shades. And then I picked up Chocolate Drip, which is probably kind of similar to what I have on my lips. So these again are so pigmented. They're hydrating, they're non-sticky. So these are perfect for you to wear just with a liner and you're on your way out the door. So I am excited to try these. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, another bag. And this time I did a buy online and pick up in store. And this is the ice. This is the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Now, this has been a favorite of mine. I have used this in the past. When it first came out, I had the pleasure of meeting the Sunday Riley herself, and I attended training on this product, and I was gifted the one that I had, and I loved it. So much so I got my mom hooked as well, and a couple of my friends hooked as well. Amazing product. So I haven't used it in a while. So I was like, this was also part of the 21 Days of Beauty, and it comes with this nice spatula that is inside the box. So very nice from Sunday Riley. So yes, I'm excited. This is primarily what I would use at night. So this will be like my nighttime moisturizer. So I am excited to be able to grab that again. All right, so we are down to the wire here. I have 2 more products here that are in this big old box that I picked up. Now, this was not part of the 21 Days of Beauty, but this is my favorite foundation brush from Morphe, and so I just needed another one. I needed a backup. So I picked up the Morphe V102 Dense Foundation Brush, and this is part of their Vegan Pro series. So, oh man, I don't have the brush, it's dirty. So I can't really show you what I'm gonna see here. So this is the brush that I always use to do my foundation. And then, so this is like the upgraded version of this. But this is still available, but I wanted to try this out to see how does it compare to this. So that's what I picked up. I think this is like 20 bucks. So super excited to try that out. Definitely love that foundation brush. But then this went on sale during the 21 Days of Beauty, and this is the Morphe and Ariel brush series. So I have always wanted to try this, but I just felt like it was really expensive. So this was on sale for 40 bucks, I think, or something like that. So I was able to pick up the entire collection. This is the eye and the face, and it comes with the blender, the sponge there. So this is all of what came in the box, and I just love this. Like, this is so nice. It's like embossed with the Ariel signature. So this is so cool. Now, I've heard good things about these brushes as far as the quality and just how good they are, compared to the regular basic Morphe brushes. And I think this is the same for when they did the collab with Jaclyn Hill. Like, I felt like those brushes were really good quality as well. Better than their, like, they don't come apart so fast like their regular brushes. Ooh. So just trying to see if I can open it here so I can show you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Here it is. All the brushes. Oh, so soft. My. And I think these are also vegan as well. So this was what was on sale. But in addition to that, I picked up just the face. I don't know if it was the face that was on sale or it was that. I don't know. One of them was on sale, but I picked up just the face set by itself. I got problems. I know. I love a good brush. So this is a signature face. This is a 5-piece face brush set. So I picked that up as well. So that is it. That was everything that I picked up during the 21 days of beauty at Ulta Beauty. So let me know in the comments. Drop a comment below. What did you pick up? Do you normally shop the event? What are your thoughts on everything that I picked up? Be sure to let me know in the comments. And before you go, please take the time to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share with a friend, phone a friend, tell a friend, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload videos. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.